Hello guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price update of Stellar XLM. What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the Stellar XLM? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and update video about Stellar XLM guys. Anyways, guys, if we study the right now price of Stellar XLM, so 0.2299384 USD dollar, that is the right now price of Stellar XLM going in a cryptocurrencies market. Furthermore, guys, if you study the price changes update of Stellar XLM, so you can see here, guys, that last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, every changes are going negative in Stellar XLM, guys. A lot of people are worrying about Stellar XLM, but personally, guys, I believe that the negative changes of Stellar XLM in the future, the negative changes of Stellar XLM will be becomes positive, guys, because how much the price jumps, same like that in the future the price pumps, guys. So guys, you can see here, if the price jumps, if the changes of Stellar XLM is negative, so that's mean that the price going in the lows, and very soon, guys, the changes of Stellar XLM will become positive and the price will become high. So guys, I think that is still opportunity for all of you, because in the right now situation Stellar XLM price are very low for investment, guys. And now you can see here, they are also, you can see here, if you study the price chart, so now here there is a support line, the price jumps, and now in the latest situation the price are starting in the pumping mode, guys. And I believe, guys, that for a long time they will continue this jump, they will continue this jump, guys. It is last 10 days of September, and in the last 10 days of September continuously Stellar XLM price will go up, guys, remember that. Anyways, guys, tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Stellar XLM? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.